Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to create PDF invoice for your WooCommerce store. This is my store, WooCommerce store, and I got the order. Now I have to create the PDF invoice for my customer. So let's get started. Go to your WP admin dashboard. Now we have to go to our plugins bar and click add new plugin. So you can see it will be redirected to plugin page. So you have to search the plugin. So we need to enter the name of the plugin. So plugin for PDF invoice. You have to just write there the name of plugin. It may take some time due to internet might be slow. You can see I have installed already, but you need to install the plugin and activate plugin. After successful activating your plugin, you need to go WooCommerce tab and go to PDF Invoices. When you activate your plugin, the PDF Invoices tab automatically go there. Here is the settings of some plugin. How do you want to view the PDF? Download the PDF, open that PDF in new tab. So I want to download the PDF and there is some template. You can see the plugin automatically picked our logo. So here you write shop name and address and some extra boxes. After making changes, click save changes. The setting has been saved now and we have to generate the PDF invoice. So for invoice, go to WooCommerce tab and click orders. Here will be tab open of list of your orders. You can see this is my latest order. So I want to generate PDF only this order. If you want multiple PDF invoices, so check in one by one. Which one order you will check in, it will be download. So here I have checked in successfully. So I have to go there and click PDF invoice. It's mean the order number 4390 will generate PDF invoice. So click on apply. You can see the invoice has been downloaded. So click here to open your invoice. So you can see here is your order number, the total amount of shipping charges, etc. You can customize it easily by go to in settings. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Goodbye.